This is the before shot, before the Corsa mufflers go on. And in a moment, you will hear what this car sounds like with the stock mufflers on. Then I'll be adding the Corsa mufflers at the speed shop, the local speed shop here in Concord, North Carolina. And then you'll be able to hear what the car sounds like with those on. Hopefully you'll be able to tell a difference. So I'm going to walk over here now and start the car. Hold on 1 second. Corsa mufflers installed today. Notice how the tip is kind of cockeyed 45 degrees. Kind of goes with the flow of the rear valance though. I'll give you a side shot. Where are we going? No, I need you to hold this in a second. I'm going to start it up.